let's make delicious chicken yakhni rice. Yakhni refers to a rich, savory meat stock or broth made by slow boiling the meat. We're cooking rice in there as well. It's gonna be comfort chicken broth rice. It's gonna be comforting chicken broth rice. I have 2 pounds of the chicken leg. I have a garam masala. I have ginger, garlic. I have some fresh veggies. We will be putting some fresh potato, carrots, salt, some bay leaves, some cumin, olive oil. These are 2 cups of the basmati rice, basmati Sela rice. So first thing first, let's soak our rice in here. I'm doing 2 cups of water in here. Here goes the rice. Let's turn on my favorite pot. This is non-stick cast iron pot. This is my favorite pot. I do a lot of cooking in this. Let's start with the onion. Just need half of the onion. Thin slices of red onion, half of it. That's what we need. We will add olive oil. If you don't add olive oil for this yakhni, your yakhni meat will be dry. So do add it. Half cup of olive oil goes in here. So we are not sauteing our onion. We are just straightforward adding the spices and the fresh onion in here. So handful of ginger cubes and handful of garlic. We will dice it and add it in here. Here goes the ginger and garlic. Now let's take the garam masala for it. You can use garam masala powder, 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala powder, or these are all the ingredients which are in garam masala. So star spice, it goes in here, 3-4 small cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, and 3-4 green cardamom. This is coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon in here. Here goes the bay leaves, half tablespoon of the cumin seeds, and we'll do black pepper, half tablespoon. Here goes the salt. For now, on the safe side, we will do just half tablespoon. So we are building this chicken yakhni rice all the way from the scratch. You can add a chicken bouillon, 1 cube in here to get the maximum flavor out of it, or if you don't have that, just like me, I don't have chicken bouillon, we will do for the flavor bump MSG, monosodium glutamate, half tablespoon. For a couple minutes on the high flame, just stir fry it. This is couple minutes later. All the masala with the fresh herbs, they have been stir fried for a couple minutes. All right, time to add the chicken legs. Here you go. I'm not touching it, and it goes in here. Looking so good. Again, couple minutes. Stir fry this. After a couple minutes, this is what you will see. Now it's the time. Let's add water in here to make a good broth. I'm doing 3 cups of water. It's on the high flame. Give it a good mix. Cover the pot. 15 minutes on the high flame. I have 15 minutes for the wait, right? So why not to just chop some potatoes? We will just cube these guys out, a biteable size cube. Carrots. 20 minutes later, since we started this process to make this delicious chicken yakhni rice, initial 20 minutes, we added the chicken, the herbs, and everything. This is the first look of the yakhni. Look at this. Our chicken looks good in the broth. So at this stage, we will taste test the broth. So the salts and pepper, they should be right. Soothing. I need to add some salt in here because we're gonna be adding rice, these vegetables. We need salt in here. Half tablespoon more. Remember the carrots and potatoes, we just cut it. Let's add this in here. 2 cups of rice, it had 2 cups of water. They all go in here. Man, they look good. Okay, let's give it a mix. Water looks fine, vegetable look fine, it's all perfect. Put your stove onto medium for 30 minutes, on medium to simmer. Let it just cook, okay? It's a slow process, slow cooking process. We have to, this is how your yakhni should look like. Rice are here, chicken is here, vegetables are here. Let's cover this. And it's 151. Add 30 minutes to it. 221. We will take a look on these rice. It's on the simmer. Let's do 30 more minutes. 50 minutes later, since we started making our delicious chicken yakhni rice, and let's turn off the stove. And here you go, okay? Woo. Wow, they look so good. Okay, let's check the rice first. Hold on, very. Oh my god, this is so soothing. Check this out. Delicious yakhni rice in one pot. Okay, so we are ready. Let's do a taste test. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Let's taste this delicious chicken yakhni rice. We made it from the scratch in 50 minutes. I still have maybe one more big plate like this. And this looks good. Let's check the yakhni chicken. Oh my. Oh my. This is perfectly done, cooked. Okay, let's try this with the hand. Rice and yakhni chicken. Oh my god. Just look at this rice, one pot recipe, and here goes the first bite. Man, this is the comfort, delicious comfort of yakhni chicken and rice and the vegetables. The potatoes, just the vegetables and the rice. The hungry bite. Easy to do. I can't describe it, but seriously, it's good. Let me tell you this. I have some green mint sauce. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. It's seriously good.